seed. Y'all know she's doing like a secondary, grandma's practice third version 2.0. And, I don't know if you all know, because I got a lot of people that, y'all see a video sometimes, but a lot of people asking me, what happens with grandma's other home? I kind of explained that on another video, maybe you all missed it, but she's not satisfied there. She feels like she's fulfilled her purpose there, because y'all know this big thing about the rest of the area, because she owns that property, owns the air property that her dad and her mom left to all of the sisters and brothers. And
So we are at a point in our journey to where we are sowing seed. Although the weather seems to be totally off each year, and the year after that, we still proceed. So in today's video, I'm going to be planting and sowing my very, very first seed. I hope you enjoy. So being a gardener is very, very important to me. Not only is it my passion, but it's also something that I feel that God demands from me. So I push every single year. I face new challenges. I go through new trials and tribulations. I learn something new, and I enjoy the journey and the ride. And if you're a gardener watching my channel, I really hope that you do too. So it is done. The first seed has been sown. Next, I will be labeling my terracotta pot for the season in hopes that God will give the seed an increase. You all, I thank you so much for tuning in to my videos. For my subscribers, I thank you for hanging on in there. We've been going a year strong. I've been absent for almost a year, but now it's time to kick off this new year with a lot of new videos, a lot of new challenges, a lot of new opportunities, a lot of new seeds, and a lot of new knowledge in growing. And for my new gardeners, if you're watching my channel and my videos for encouragement, just know that no matter where you start, anything is possible. You can get it done in a can, you can get it done in a jar, you can get it done outside, you can get it done inside. It's all about your determination and what you really want to do, and if gardening is really a passion for you. I believe that we as human beings, as our primitive nature is to eat natural products, to eat things of life, because like they say in society, you are what you eat. So think about that. Are you eating life or are you eating death? And because I've grown in this journey with God, I have grown to know that eating life saves your life. So this is why I garden. So with that being said, I thank you all so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.